I'm a hard nut, so I learnt it in my own way. But these days, I'm seeing all the golf trainers, they're teaching them, you must hold it loose, you should not hold it tight. So just look at these things. How many things in your life are such that you held it and now you can't loosen the grip? But a simple thing is like this. Tomorrow morning you're going to die. Do whatever you want. Whichever way you're going to loosen the grip on anything. Have you not seen the movies? Loosen the grip. It's gone. Loosen the grip on your body, loosen the grip on your mind, your thought, your emotion, just loosen the grip a little bit. When you're alive, if you loosen the grip, you will become exuberant.